Muna tayo, kadarating lang natin dito sa Solvang, but we are going to eat muna sa pinaka-famous restaurant ng Solvang. One of the famous restaurant ng Solvang, ang Paula's Pancake House. Ayan. Ayan.
Yes. Table for
7. We have reservation.
Table for 7. I have this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
One
you.
second. What is your name?
Raquel?
Raquel.
Yeah, my name is Raquel. Anong ginawa mo, ha? Natulog ka, no?
I was gonna go to sleep. Sabi mo, wait, 45 minutes. My goodness.
Akala ko nga 45 minutes, di naman pala 45 minutes eh. Pero naghintay na kami na matagal.
Matagal eh.
Oo. O, di ba? Naalala nyo ba yung Three Stooges? Three Stooges. O, ayun na yung isa. Famous yan. Parating na, o, di ba?
Mga Tristan.
Ito na ang ating mga lovable divas of the day.
Need a bodyguard.
Yeah. Si Kuya gusto daw ng rice. Sabi ko, remember mo last time na pumunta tayo? Sabi ko, naghahanap din ako ng rice. So, sabi ko, next time pupunta ako ng Solvang, magdadala talaga ako ng rice cooker. My goodness. Kasi walang rice dito, guys. Everything here is kind of like Italian and breakfast yata. American food. There you go, American food. What's the menu? Raquel, yun doon sa sa kwarto. Are we gonna pay you cash?
Yes.
Yes.
Cash.
Di pwedeng swipe ko sa'yo yung credit card? Swipe ko na lang sa'yo magkano yung share.
Oh, sige. It accused my butt. I got butt hole.
Ano sila Rodel? Happy family sila.
You guys doing one check or separate checks today?
We can,
I don't know.
I don't
And
know
we
yet.
can bed mode.
Yeah,
them.
Rodel.
Luca.
Do they have fish
Alright.
and chips?
Do you want to just put everything in and we're going to sell you?
Yeah.
One check for both? Okay.
So guys, I ordered New York strip and eggs. Oh, the Paula's pancake, right there on the middle, all the way on the top.
Blueberries, banana, or cinnamon apples.
Which one is the good one?
Blueberries or banana. She doesn't like the strawberry.
We don't have strawberries today.
Oh, okay.
Cinnamon apples are the most popular.
What is the
Cinnamon
side of pancake in here?
It's not on the menu, but it's $8 one pack.
Really? Okay.
So we're getting the cinnamon apples.
So palette with
You
the
want a
cinnamon apples.
Do you eat cinnamon?
It's okay. They said it's good. What else do you
like
want?
cinnamon?
I'll try.
Danish pancake.
Or the buttermilk pancake.
The buttermilk pancake, where is the buttermilk? Okay.
The one on the bit.
Go.
Oh, wait. Sliced banana. Ooh, if it is the 3 stocks, and then if I want it with banana. So the large stocks with,
So the large stack, you don't want palace.
what do you suggest? The powder itself?
Well, we're known for the Danish.
Okay, we'll do the
Oh, Danish pancake.
We'll try the
Okay.
Danish pancake.
So palace with the cinnamon.
Thank you. Danish. So we ordered the New York steak and
Cinnamon. You want the cinnamon apple, right? Not blueberry. Okay, that's fine.
yeah, that's fine. And then also pancakes. Siyempre, hindi ka pwedeng kumain dito na hindi ka kakain ng pancake. Diba? Ayan. So we're gonna eat that. All of us ordered steak. Yeah, sayang lang walang rice.
Luka, umorder din kami ng pancake.
And then we ordered pancake.
Ubus gusto din ng pancake.
Never.
Neverland. Then nung unang sinerge ko, it's Netherland. Sabi ni Raquel kasi, search yung kay Michael Jackson, yung Netherland. Tapos sabi ko naman,
13 miles.
dinadala ko Europe. Kasi ginogel ko, sabi niya Neverland pala
Baka
siya,
na
Neverland.
Netherlands. Baka sa Netherlands.
Netherland.
Country.
Nung hindi nakita, sabi niya, never mind.
Nevermind na lang ka ako, matagal. Sabi ko, nakita ko na yung ostrich.
Ay, 13 miles.
Oh, 13 miles. What's our itinerary for today after we eat? Rest? Walk?
It's up to you guys.
Casino?
Tonight, kayo.
Tonight?
Maybe you guys should go to Netherlands.
Never.
Never mind.
Naging never mind na rin.
Make friendly dyan din.
Meron din akong friend dito. Ayan, oh. Hi, may katabi ako. Diba? Ayan, guys. So, yan. Chichika-chikahan muna kami dito kasi matagal din kami hindi nagkita-kita. Ayan. So, habang hinihintay namin yung mga pagkain namin.
Ayun, nakita ko. Nakita ko ang ganda doon.
Sayang, hindi kusang.
Okay, come, grab some. We all get steak.
You guys all got steak?
Yes.
Mine is medium well.
Mine is hamburger.
Mine is well done. Yeah, well done.
Okay.
Yan ang aking pagkain.
You guys all work? Oh.
Come on.
I want,
Grab it.
Basta ikaw dapat ma-invest.
Ay, ganun ba yun? Oh, video mo ako. Anong think tayo? Dapat daw ako mauna. Heaven.
Magkamukha kayo.
So good.
Nagiging twins na kayo. Daan na.
Kuit. Sayang walang rice. My goodness.
Ang daming farm yan mo magkakain.
Ba yan? Sabi ko sa'yo, magdala ka ng rice cooker eh.
Asang A1.
Huwag
You
na
should-
mag-iwan.
You should ask for A1.
Di ba sabi nila insult to yun?
No, that's only in France.
Ah, also in France. Last time na kinain ko dito is yung Benedict and I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like it
I
kasi
ordered. Chewy?
chewy. It's good.
Oh, here's the pancake there.
Yeah, so I have
And yung
egg,
pancake pala.
scrambled egg, and then of course hash brown and wheat bread and then steak. Yan. We're gonna put some salt kasi alam ko minsan yung mga restaurant they don't put salt. Ano pa dami?
Yes, yes.
And of course that's the famous pancake. Ayan on earth. Yummy. Kuya, what did you get? Burger? I thought you want
cheeseburger.
steak.
Oh, I should have asked them to carry to we get a table.
And
We're
then
gonna
Miss
get some,
Raquel
ano.
got the steak too, but also they'll
I
help
want
siya.
fruits.
She wants fruits. Yan.
We'll get a
So let's go eat na guys. I'm gonna eat first kasi talagang gutom na ako. Kahit na walang rice. Yeah. Here.
please.
Get some hash brown. Yan ang maganda sa grupo, you know. You can guys share pagkain.
Yeah.
Like me, I'm just gonna grab some french fries.
Let me find out. I want to
Tama na kuya. Salamat! So hungry.
ketchup, please.
I like yung ano din, yung pagkakaluto ng steak ko. Ayoko kasi yung ma-blood na steak. Sarap. Kasi masaya ako, kasi masarap.
Kasi may pagkain.
May pagkain. Good. Coffee. Luca, what did you get, Luca?
Egg Benedict.
What do you have?
Egg Benedict. I always get egg Benedict.
Egg Benedict.
I got it. I'll just grab some.
That's the last time I got. Punta tayo dito, Egg Benedict.
You want fries too? I have some.
You want more?
Oh, this is good. Ang laki niyan. Are you sure?
Oo naman.
No,
One.
kalate. No!
Mm.
Kalate, half.
Ayan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Trying the
Payday
pancake.
time.
Yung pinaka-famous nilang pancake daw dito. This is ano? Cinnamon? Cinnamon? Apple? It's good. Iba lang siya kasi tingnan mo guys. Manipis yung pagiging pancake. Hindi katulad ng ibang pancake na makakapal.
Parang crepe nga.
Oo. Parang crepe lang siya. No, hindi ako makain ng apple. So, yung pancake lang talaga yung kakainin ko.
Pandisan?
Yung pancake lang niya, yung tinapay niya. Ano tong taas? Butter?
I think it is whipped cream of butter, I think.
Whipped cream and butter. So, this is apple.
Tingnan mo yung pinakano nila, oh. Parang ano na itlog, oh.
Uh,
Gilid, oh.
I think they use like a crate.
Yeah.
mm.
It's like a crate.
Is this apple, Luca?
Yeah, it's really good. Apple cinnamon.
Ah. So, I recommend this restaurant. Pag pumunta kayo ng Serban, punta kayo sa Paula's Pancake House. Ayan. Kasi talagang,
Ang sarap ng
tignan nyo naman, oh. Ubus ang pagkain namin, di ba? Alam na alam mong masarap ang pagkain nila dito. Plus, the service is also good. Yeah. Wala kang makikitaan na ano.
Ano yung sa side?
Kahit humingi ka ng limit, kasi yung coffee nila dito, limit, ano? Unlimited. Unlimited ba? You can ask coffee
My
anytime.
Arnold Palmer too. Gotta have a
Yung
refill.
Arnold, yeah, refill din yung Arnold Palmer niya.
No refill, no Arnold Palmer.
So, we are going to check ano daw, tong bakery shop. Yan. We're gonna check the bakery shop dito sa Sylvan. But we're not buying yet. Kasi bukas pa naman ang alis namin. O, diba? Mahaba ang pila. Ah. Hi! How are you? See, this is my friend. Oh, say hi.
See, there is a ginger thing.
Okay. You can smell the bread. Oh, that's real bread. Are you guys gonna buy na? Bukas pa tayo. We're just gonna check the ano. Anong meron sila? See? Solvang Danish Village pala siya. So, ito siguro yung owner nung ano. Owner ng It's Olsen Danish Bakery. Mimi, what did you get?
Nothing.
Nothing yet? Ay, merengue, oh. They have merengue. Look at those things. Oh my goodness. They have coconut macaron. This one, I like this one. This is merengue. Merengue. Huh? Wow, yummy. Merengue. So, bukas pa kami bibili. Kasi medyo maaga pa para bumili. Bukas masarap yan. Then, of course, meron silang mga souvenir dito. Ayan. Souvenir shop. Chalala, chalala. May mga magnetic ano sila para sa fridge. Ayan, nakalagay Solvang. Solvang! You wanna ride there?
Na, yung mga picture lang. Ibang mga ganda ron.
Medyo mainit mga beshi. So, susutin natin ang ating mahiwagang salamin. Salamin! Salamin! Dito naman tayo pupunta. 15.25. Basta't may 50% off. Pasok mga Pilipino! Hi, kuya! Ate!
Basta meron ito, di ba?
Oo! Basta't may off na 50% off. Hindi pwedeng walang Pilipino sa loob. Yan ang nakakapang-akit eh. Tara na, pasok tayo mayon. Kinahiya ka pa eh. Ay, oh, may Philippines oh. Kitchen towel. Honestly, wala akong bibilin dito kasi hindi mo ako mahilig sa mga ganito. Oo, pagkain lang naman talaga ako. Siguro bibili ako ng mga keychain or anything yun tulad ng mga display sa fridge kapag out of the counter talaga. Asan kayo? Magnet? Are you guys buying magnet? You like that, Mimi?
Gusto ko magagaang lang.
Oh, this. I'm gonna buy this. I'm not yelling. I'm Filipino. That's perfect for me.
Ito dito, dito.
Dapat yun, dapat. I'm not yelling, I'm Kapampangan. Ganon, dapat. So, I got it. I have one. Yan. I can give it to my husband. Our Magna. Oh, look at that, boo-boo. Ay. Big Popper. Bopper. Big Bopper. O yan, pili ka na ng sasakyan mo. Anong gusto mo dyan? Ito, black one. Yan. So, ganda mo dyan. Ay, pogi. Pwede, upo ka dun.
Kaya mo na, gagalitan din natin siya.
Ayan. Binibili ni Kuya yan. Drive daw niya papuntang California. Yan. Bili niya na papuntang California yan. Picture. Ito yung mga nire-rent to eh. Saan? O kailangan mo ng driver. O kuya, babalik mo na kami ng hotel. Di pa namin nakikita yung kwarto namin. Pero yun na kasi yung pinag-stayan namin last year. Kaya may idea na kami kung ano yung itsura nung kwarto. Same everything. Exact room? Really? Wow.
Baka makita ko yung sinyelas ko dito. Dahil ibang sinyelas ko dito.
Alam mo lang ang chinelas na dala eh. Kalimutan ko. Yan, marami naman mapag-i-stayan dito sa Solvang. Tulad nito, yan, Hamlet Inn. Yan, yung mga kwarto niya, mga ganun lang. Pero di ko lang alam kung anong magkano yan mga yan. La la la. Thank you. Thank you. Hurry up, hurry up. Ayan. Mabait pa yung mga tao dito. Oh, may mga motorcycle. Ano?
Ito lucky, hindi ako nag-illegal police.
Legal jaywalking? Dan dan daran Ave 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 Maria.
The Christmas store.
Kasi walk so slow.
Naalala ko nung araw ako sa bahay-bahay. Lalagay mo yung ano.
And then, ano, punta tayo ng Christmas store. Ave, Ave. May prosesyon.
Wait ka naman.
So we're gonna go to the next store. Etong store na to is more for Christmas. Yan. Ang name nung store niya is ano, Jewel House. Pero yung the way na spell niya yung house is H-U-S. It's so cute. Look at that. Jewel House. Jewel House. Yan. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh. Napagod na siya mag-work.
Ay, nako,
Oh.
nakahiga na siya.
Nagmamarites yung mga panidero niya, Bi. Marites dyan. This is Broad and Cage by Danish Mill Bakery. So cute. Nabusog. Nabusog. Jewel House. Jewel House. Hi, Part. See. Kaya sinabi ko ano eh, look at that, big Santa Claus. Celebrating 58 years at Solvang Christmas Store. Wow. It's so cute. Merry Christmas to you. Ang Pasko ay darating. Santa Claus ay pagkat kayong lahat. Oh, this is good.
No, I get his. I get his.
Okay. Alaska? Alaska?
Or Sasquatch.
Sasquatch?
Sasquatch Santa.
Oh.
Did you bring
Sasquatch is Bigfoot.
Did you bring
The Bigfoot?
Because we might go there.
Nice. How about this ratatouille?
Oh, there's a Santa.
There's a ratatouille.
That's the evil mouse.
Oh, that's the evil mouse? I thought that's ratatouille. Have you seen the movie Ratatouille?
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille? Ratatouille? I'm Filipino kasi.
That's why she
Gaga.
can find Neverland. She's in Netherlands.
Ratatouille pala siya. Di pa siya ratatouille.
Yeah. That's why they took her to Europe.
Gago. It's not for sale, so hindi natin pwedeng mabili yun. Yan. Maraming bumibili dito.
And look at the three kings. 180. Isa. Each.
Oh, these three kings?
180 each.
Mami Perla have one. Mami Perla, she has these
I
three.
know. I like malaki.
Oo.
180.
Which one? The whole entire
No,
thing?
the three kings. That.
Each. Sino ang three kings kasi? Baltasar, Judas, Barabas?
Hindi.
What?
Who?
Gaspar,
Gaspar,
Baltasar.
Baltasar,
Isa?
Cesar.
No.
No? Who? Baltasar,
Basta ano ba? Melchor.
Melchor,
Yeah.
Baltasar, and
Melchor, Baltasar. Melchor, Baltasar. Kasasabing kanina na
kasi sabi mo na, Melchor, Baltasar, and Cesar.
Hindi, hindi siya.
It's right.
Tawa naman ako sa'yo. Sino yung three kings?
Itbulaga.
Itbulaga.
Gaspar,
Big,
Melchor.
Joey.
said?
Who's the other one?
Dito?
Dito.
Ito, Vic and Joey.
Tito Vic and Joey.
Gago. The three kings.
And Baltasar.
Ulit, Melchor,
Gaspar.
Gaspar,
And
at Baltasar.
Baltasar.
Yay! Bigyan ng t-shirt si Mimi! Ayun na, may natutunan kayo for today ha. Yung three kings.
Yeah,
Yan.
Itbulaga.
Itbulaga, Tito Vic and Joey. Joke lang.
No, ano yan?
Gag. Oh, si Mami na.
Okay,
si
here we
Mimi,
go.
jingle bell
Let me
naman
get
daw,
out.
jingle
Let me
bell.
get out.
Nakakahiya na, Bi, tara. Mi. Jingle bell, jingle ni.
Ako na eh.
Jingle ni Isabel. Naman to, ihi lang, be. Wag naman bakal ba yan?
Ayun na, that's our room right there.
Tara na. So the group decided to go to Neverland tomorrow na lang morning when after ng check out namin, and then we go to Paso Roble to see the lights event. Yan. So today we just probably just walk around here sa Solvang because we're only staying for like an overnight, and we just wanna make it sure na mapasyalan din namin yung mga ibang lugar dito, something like that.
Oh, that's more than they want.
They went to get some ice cream. My goodness, ice cream, it's so cold tapos may ice cream. Yan. Just gonna go walk. Wala pa si Raquel. I think nag-change of outfit siguro yun. So, it's already ano yata? 4 5 o'clock? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock na. Yan. Maliit lang actually yung town ng ano, no? Solvang. Oo. Pero ang cute kasi ng mga bahay nila dito. Ang mga businesses nila. Ayan. So, punta sila sa bakery. Dito ba may ice cream? Ice cream, ice cream! Marami pang tindahan dito. Ayun.
Yeah, that's
Funny. This is the joke one. That's stupid.
all the stuff you see on TV. That's
See on
your
TV. Ito maganda.
Tignan mo kuya, baka tumatawag si Raquel. Skinderella.
Oh,
Kakalayo-layo, baka mawala ka, tong bata.
this is where we got our soup.
Yeah, the sweater.
Ayun ang ice cream mo.
Yeah, no, this is where we got the soup before.
Yeah. Bumalik ulit doon, nilagay niya yung ano.
May kabayo pa siya. Tinignan.
Gusto mo ng kabayo? Hindi mo lang sinabi, hindi bililisan ako ng kabayo.
Gusto ko si Vice.
Yung si Vice ganda. Ito, dito tayo, ano, kuya, yung mga sweater. Nice, huh? You see that? Nice. Ang bango ng ano, hot chocolate. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Denmark kasi nandito yung village niya para siyang Denmark.
Mga mami,
Oh.
little soup.
Remember din na tayo kumain nun. Japanese yan, di ba?
Yeah,
Japanese
Japanese.
restaurant. Mamaya pag uwi, busog pa eh. Kasi masakit. Ganda ng sakulan.
Ganda.
Ah.
Don't climb and ride.
I'm fragile. Please don't climb or ride me. Santa's watching.
Oh. Take picture.
Ah.
Itakpan mo yung
Ayan na.
You guys want to ride a horse right there?
Yeah, wanna ride the horse.
Alright, horse.
Ay, kalabaw.
Kuya, parang kamukha mo. Hawig kayo.
Ay, ang ganda.
Naman, oh. Grabe naman to.
Oy,
Anong ganda, Rico?
parang ang ganda nga. Ang ganda. Wow. Oh, boys, ganda. Hello. Hi. Bye-bye. Oh, diba? Ang cute.
Handa. Di ba? Nagtanda ng mga picture.
Oh.
Di ba lalaki na mo?
Kukuha sila ng ano, ng ice cream. Ang sarap ng amoy ng hot chocolate. Bango.
Gano'n? Hamlet Square.
Ano, sasakay tayo ng kabayo?
$23.
$23? Wag na, pang dinner ko na lang yun. $23? Sasakay ka lang ng kabayo. Saan ka dadalhin mo sa casino?
Mag-rent na lang tayo ng bike.
Rent na lang tayo ng bike. Let us know! Let us know! Let us know! Look at that. No stupid people beyond this point. Hindi tayo pwede dyan. Hindi tayo pwede dyan. Tara! I want this one. So this is the Solvang Museum. Look at this tree, man. The Solvang founders. Oh, this is the House of Amber pala. Kala ko museum. Hindi pala siya. I think this is like kind of kids toy. Let's see. Look at this Lego. So cute. See, ang cute diba, no? Tingnan nyo yung, ito yung night ng Solvang. Marami pa rin tao. Actually, it's only like 5:07. Ah. Marami siya mga tindahan dito. So, nakapag shopping na kami ng konti. Ayan, konti lang. Mga tindahan ng sombrero. Pinahanap namin sila Luca kung nasan sila. Oh, another bakery. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Let's go inside. I like this one. See? Akala mo talaga totoo sila. Why are you guys baking? Make sure you work. That's what your boss said. Come on. Marami rin tao dito sa bake shop na to, grabe. So let's go outside. That's so cute. I think it's also bake shop. But they also have some chocolates here. And then this one is a Red Viking restaurant. Yeah. Asan? Oh! Hi, Bart! Finally! Hi, Nana! Where did you guys go?
We were in there.
Oh, how was it?
Interesting.
Oh, dito si Kuya. Grabe. Yan. Tatawid muna tayo sa kabila nang makita naman natin kung anong meron sa kabila. Ang dami-dami nilang mga store dito, grabe. Maraming bake shop, maraming ice cream.
The candy apple. Feel it. Oh yeah, no.
Talagang pang tourist spot.
Really?
Oo.
Oh my God, it's heavy. Why is it heavy?
It's just
Is it brownie?
No, it's just a big slice of fudge. You can only buy it by the slice. Ice cream.
Look at that tower pizza. Wow. But I'm not craving for pizza. Taas no, grabe oh. Okay. So bawat iskinita dito talagang meron silang mga parang mga restaurant sa likod. So sabi niya dito ano, Round Tower. It was completed on 1991. So that tower was completed on 1991. Sabi dito sa binabasa ko. Oh, 'di ba? Akala niyo nagbibiro ako, no? Hindi ah. Oh, malapit na kasi ang Christmas. Ganito, ang cute ng ginger house, oh. Kulay pink siya, pink. Kulay pink. Bake shop din to eh. Daming mga bake shop, grabe. You can really smell cookies and of course yung mga bread nila dito. Smells good. Hala, nasa na sila? Naiwan na ako. I think they went here. Nagpi-picture-picture lang sila doon kanina. I think pumasok na naman sila dito sa store na to. I like that sabi ko na nga ba eh. Oh, this is another store ng mga souvenirs. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng souvenirs. Ayan, oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng mga tulips. This is a big stocking. I wonder.
Let him talk. I don't think it moves.
Hey, there's a line.
Nice.
Is it on sale?
Oh no, it's right here.
O, yan na naman tayo. Hindi naman natin alam may operate, B.
Here, I can hold it.
Tawag na naman tayong chain.
The price. I can't read.
Oh, there's the.
How much,
There is.
Mark?
No.
It's battery. Candy World! There's a lot of candies. Let's go check their candies. Wow. Ang daming candies. Look at that. Oh, may Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll. Oh my God. There's a lot of candies. What's that? Dum Dum Pops. Dum Dum
Yummy.
Bum Bum. What's that?
Oh,
Abazaba?
Ito yung paborito yung mami. Ni Mimi.
Bito honey.
Sesame Crunch. Oh my God.
Gosh, ang daming candies. Hindi mo na alam kung anong kukunin mo.
Patikin.
Ay na, pwede mo patikim ikada isa. Sugar level up. Boom! Oh my God. So cute. Wow, you have a lot of candies.
Mango.
Mango? Oh, yeah. Coconut. Are they chewing gum or candy?
No, those are taffy.
Ah. I know. Welcome to Solvang, the Danish capital of America. And tapos na kami maglibot, so we're heading back sa aming hotel. Yan. Royal Copenhagen Inn. So natapos din na ang aming araw for today, and then we're still gonna go to, where's our next destination after this? Next destination, me. Saan tayo pupunta?
Uwi na.
Uwi na.
It's hard to be alive.